Howdy, folks, and welcome to week number 14. So this week, what are we going to do? We're going to watch the week 14 video. You're doing that right now. Congratulations. You're going to look at your feedback on the SA4 research questions. So you turned those in last Thursday. You'll look at the feedback on them. If you need to make changes, we're going to pause, make changes. Once you've resubmitted those, please feel free to give me the heads up that you did if you need to. Again, if I gave you a pass, don't worry about it. Just start researching. If you didn't get a pass, you want me, I went back and asked you to add some things or something of that sort, please just do that and then resubmit. Okay. As soon as you resubmit, go ahead and start doing research on this. You don't need to wait for me, although I will try to get you feedback as soon as possible. And then you're going to submit your SA4 research check-in and your SA4 research answers, okay? So this is really very basic. There's only one thing to physically submit this week, so I didn't even bother with the work to do folder. It is just research check-in 1 and your SA4 research answers. If we were to take a look here at your notebook. I'm going to try to move this so we can see this a little bit better. There we go. We can see our tabs now. So, you've got your research questions here. Again, you don't need to use all 15. You can create more if you need more as well. Okay. So for Thursday, what I want everyone to submit on Thursday is the research check-in number 1. So this is just a quick form. You're going to fill out how many sources are there. That's a drop-down menu. You're going to replace this text with what research questions you have not answered yet, right? So if you've got 2, 3, 4, 8 questions you haven't answered yet, I just want you to list those there so I can see which questions you haven't yet answered. What do you think your best source is, and what do you think your weakest source is? And then why? And then, of course, what can I help you with? Okay, so if there's one of those questions that you haven't answered, you've tried to answer, and you've struggled with, or something of that sort, or you need some help as to where to look, how to look, whatever, please put that here, and I will respond to it when I give you feedback on this. Now, you're going to submit 2 things to this submission folder. Okay, if we come back here, you're going to see this is the SA4 Research Check-in 1 and your SA4 Research Answers. So you're going to submit your research answers a couple different times. So you're going to come here and you are going to, I'm not in student mode, so I can't do a submit, but you're going to submit one file. You can choose both files at the same time. So just like we did with essays 2, 3, and 4, you're going to go to File, Download, PDF, okay? And you're going to do the same thing with your research questions and answers document, okay? So you're going to download both of those, and then you're going to submit both of those, okay? Next week, we'll do the second research check-in, and I will have you submit your answers again. So what I really want to see here is your research check-in document alongside your answer. So I'm just going to ask you to submit both of those. Again, you can submit multiple files to any folder that we've got here. So please feel free to submit both files. You can put them both up at once, or you can submit them separately. It doesn't really matter so long as you get both of them there. Okay. Again, this is just a real, very much a work week. You are here working on your research. Okay. Don't hesitate to reach out to Professor Anderson. Reach out to me. I'm glad to sit down, do a meeting with you, help you with your research. Just reach out and let me know. Okay. As always, I'm here to help. Don't hesitate to reach out.